What if I told you that everything you've been taught about getting rich is a lie? That saving money, investing for the long haul, and playing it safe is actually the slowest route to poverty, not wealth. You've been sold a dream called Get Rich Slow, and it's keeping you stuck in a cage. Most people are trapped on what I call the sidewalk living paycheck to paycheck, chasing instant gratification, or the slow lane, where you sacrifice your health and youth for a pension that might not even exist by the time you're 65. But there's a third road. It's the one nobody talks about. It's the Fastlane. And if you've ever felt like trading time for money is a broken system, this video is going to crack your reality wide open. See, the problem isn't that you're not working hard enough. The problem is the vehicle you're driving. In the Millionaire Fastlane, MJ DeMarco flips the entire wealth script on its head. He says the average millionaire didn't get rich by clipping coupons or maxing out their 401k. They got rich by understanding one brutal truth. Wealth is not a straight line. It's an explosion. And that explosion only happens when you stop selling your time and start building systems. The average person trades hours for dollars. That's a mathematical dead end because there are only 24 hours in a day. You can't scale time. You can't put time on layaway. But when you build an asset, a business, a brand, a product, you detach your income from your presence. You start making money while you sleep. And that, right there, is the only real shortcut. Now, DeMarco doesn't just hype you up and leave you hanging. He lays down the law with what he calls the 5 Fastlane commandments. If your business idea doesn't meet these, it's just another dead-end job dressed up in entrepreneurship. First, it must be about control. If you hand over the reins to a partner, a boss, or a platform, you're vulnerable. Second, it has to have entry barriers. If your grandma can start the same business tomorrow with zero capital, the race to the bottom has already begun. Third, it needs to be detached from your time. Fourth, it has to be scalable, meaning it can grow exponentially without you working twice as hard. And fifth, it must serve a need, not just stroke your ego. You can't force people to buy your stuff because you think it's cool. You have to solve a problem. You have to make the world better for the person holding the wallet. Think about the difference between driving a car and being the engine. In the slow lane, you're the engine. You burn fuel, you wear down, you get replaced. In the fast lane, you're the driver. The business is the engine. It carries the weight while you steer. And this isn't just theory. We see it every day with the kid who built an app in his dorm room, or the creator who built an audience that buys everything they recommend. They didn't get there by hoarding pennies. They got there by flipping the switch from consumer to producer. They realized that money is just a reflection of value delivered. If you want more money, you don't chase money, you chase impact. You figure out how to serve millions, and the money becomes the side effect. So here's the hard question you need to ask yourself right now. Are you on a road to nowhere? Are you sacrificing your present for a future that may never come? Or are you sacrificing your future by living only for today? The Fastlane isn't about working harder. It's about working differently. It's about refusing to be a passenger in your own life. It's about looking at the world and seeing leverage points where others see obstacles. The sidewalk is crowded. The slow lane is a traffic jam. But the fast lane? It's wide open. The only toll is your willingness to think bigger than a paycheck. If this video sparked something in you, if you felt that little kick in the gut telling you that you're meant for more than a cubicle and a clock, then do me a favor. Take that energy and use it. Don't just let it dissolve into the noise of your feed. Watch this again if you have to. Write down one thing you can start today that doesn't trade your time for money. One tiny step toward building your own engine. Because here's the truth they won't tell you in school. The rules of money were written by the people who already have it. But the beautiful thing is, you don't have to play by their rules. You can write your own. And it starts the second you decide that you're done being poor, tired, and waiting for a check that will never come. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to get off the sidewalk and hit the Fastlane, hit that subscribe button right now because your future self is already thanking you.